My name is Innocent Sekgopo. I'm 29 years of age and I am the first female diesel electric fitter here at Traxtion. My journey here started as an apprentice. It's a program that takes about 3 to 4 years to complete. In my group there were 4 of us. There were 3 guys and I was the only female. The program basically consists of theoretical training and practical training, but most of the practical training you get to do in phase 2 and phase 3. My experience, it was very difficult at first because it's a male dominated industry, but as I went in the program I realized that it's only about the mindset. When you work hard you can achieve everything that you put your mind to. I'd like to encourage young women who want to get into the rail industry that it's not about how strong you are or your physical strength. We have cranes and forklifts for that. Yeah, so you just have to work hard, focus, and be determined to get through what you want to do.